Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 12 Cascabel Way in Noarlunga Downs. I've got a stunning executive family home here, custom designed and built perfectly for this huge 958 square metre corner block and overlooking these beautiful views of the Onkaparinga River and gorgeous Port Noarlunga Beach. It features 3 living areas, 4 bedrooms, a huge study and gym, undercover parking for 5 cars and a beautiful backyard with pool and spa area. It's absolutely magnificent and I'm sure you're absolutely going to love it. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it, absolutely stunning home in a beautiful quiet location. It's got gorgeous views and the floor plan is absolutely phenomenal. It's going to suit families down to the T with beautiful outdoor areas such as this, gorgeous balconies and stunning oversized rooms. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.